Students, we are on the last topic of our main topic, that is active and passive voice, and now we are on the topic that sentences, what are those sentences which cannot be changed into passive voice. So student, there are some types of sentences which we cannot change or which we cannot convert into passive voice, which are like non-convertible tenses are present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, and future continuous. And the next is sentences having intransitive verb cannot be converted into passive voice. So student, intransitive and को समझने के लिए आपको दोनों types of verb को समझना जरूरी है. So basically there are two types of verb, transitive verb and intransitive verb. A verb that requires an object, or we can say a verb that requires a direct object in a sentence to give a complete meaning is called a transitive verb. For example, he bought a book. Here, buy is a transitive verb because without an object, it does not give complete idea. All such verbs that must have an idea for them in a sentence are called transitive verb. जिनका सब्जेक्ट के साथ डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप होता है किसी भी सेंटेंस में, उसको हम ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब कहते हैं. ऑन द अदर हैंड, अ वर्ब व्हिच डजंट रिक्वायर अ डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड अ इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. फॉर एग्जांपल, ही लाफ, ही स्लीप, ही गो. लेट्स टेक अनदर. ही इज गोइंग टू लाहौर. कैन यू कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू पैसिव वॉइस if we apply the rule? No, we cannot, because going and go is an intransitive verb, because it does not require or it does not have a direct object. So student, to understand a direct object, let's take this example. He is playing in the garden. He is playing in the garden. So students, क्या हमें इस बात से लगता है हम इस सेंटेंस को पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज नहीं कर सकते? क्यों नहीं चेंज कर सकते? क्योंकि गार्डन के साथ सब्जेक्ट हमारे ही का. चलें, लेट्स सपोज हम कहते हैं कि अदनान इज प्लेइंग इन द गार्डन. सो अदनान और गार्डन का डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप नहीं है, क्योंकि देयर माइट बी अदर पीपल हु आर प्लेइंग इन द गार्डन. गार्डन में और भी बहुत सारे लोग हो सकते हैं जो वहां पे खेल रहे हो. क्यों? अब अदनान और गार्डन का डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप नहीं बन रहा. But when we convert, or when we can say alter this sentence in this way, that Adnan is playing football in the garden. Now there might be only Adnan who is playing. अब football और Adnan का direct relationship आ गया. So we can say that the football is being played by Adnan in the garden. So when you want to convert an active sentence to passive, you need a direct object जिसका direct relationship बन रहा हो subject के साथ. So students, sentences like these, he is sleeping, he is playing, he has gone, he died in 2005, etc. are the we can say the example of intransitive verbs. We cannot change intransitive verb because it doesn't have any direct object. एक्टिव से पैसिव में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमें डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत होती है. So student, this was all from my side as your instructor of English from tutoria.pk. We have done the complete explanation of this very important topic, active and passive voice. So I hope you understand this concept very well. See you in the next video.